Video submissions from growers from around the country, and we take the top 3 times. We'll go 3 rounds. With each round, it's going to be the fastest build time. Fastest of all the 4 participants becomes our champion. First place rewarded with $1,000. Second place gets $750. Third place $500, and fourth place gets $250. You get to take home the prize championship belt. So the winner will be wearing this around the rest of today and tomorrow with pride. Flowerwood Nursery, which means McCorkle Nursery, Juan Corro, defending champion with a build time of 24.19 seconds.